Want to do your plumbing the least expensive way? Check out our push-on fittings. Welcome back to the PPD Studios in St. Louis, Missouri, the Burbank of the Midwest. Today we're on page 8 and 9 of the Duke catalog. And we did something in this catalog that we haven't really promoted that much, but in our old catalog we had push-on fittings that were in straight 45 and 90 degree hose ends. They were also double swivel, and our new catalog has come out with something different in both of those categories. We've done away with the double swivel because the double swivel, it was nice, but the truth of the matter is when you're assembling a push-lock hose, once you get your hose on, you can still clock it a little bit if you need to get it fit right, and then leave it and you're good. So people didn't want to, this is an economical alternative. People didn't really want to pay the extra for the double swivel. So we did away with that, but then we expanded the line because this is an economical way to plumb your car. The Push-Loc product line's been expanded to include straights, 30 degree fittings, 60 degree fittings, 90 degree fittings, 120s, 150s, and 180s. That's flexibility. You can build your system in the tightest of quarters with the fewest number of fittings by using these hose ends. Also, due to demand reasons, we've done away with the blue hose, which is kind of passe. We do have black push-on hose, and it's excellent quality. Push-Loc hose assemblies are rated up to 250 psi without a crimp band. With a crimp band, they're rated at 250 psi. The temperature ranges from minus 30 Fahrenheit up to 160 Fahrenheit. Within that temperature range, there's a lot of applications. Check them out. We have them in -4 all the way up to -12. Check out our catalog for further information about the Push-Loc option. Thanks again for watching. Remember to hit subscribe, and we'll see you at the racetrack. We have 30s, 60s, stop, start over,